From our Stars and Dogs segment, it's time for this week's Dog.
Sona Nanotech, SONA on the CSE, currently trading at a price of around $1.10 and has a market cap of $67 million. So Sona Nanotech Inc. is in the life sciences industry with the primary objective to develop and produce its own lateral flow rapid COVID-19 antigen tests. Now, as Ryan said, we actually covered Sona on the podcast as a star back in April when the stock made its ascent from 20 cents to over $2. And at that time, we highlighted Sona as something that was very risky, that had no proof of concept, and probably something to avoid. But of course, following our analysis, the stock continued to perform very well, running all the way to $15, fueled by speculation that these tests would be revolutionary to the market and were on the cusp of mass distribution. But now, 5 months since the stock erupted to what we believe to be unjustifiable heights, it is now down over 92% from its highs and down 62% this week alone. The stock did have both an impressive run-up and ultimate downfall in a very short period of time. But I believe the key takeaway here is that although Sona excelled in the short run from speculation, it was essentially impossible to gauge a value on the stock as it had no earnings or even sales. So it was impossible to assess whether we were receiving a decent price at $2 or it was becoming overvalued at $15. There was just really nothing to rely on and to indicate to investors a time to buy or a time to sell. Now, you may hit one or two of these stocks in your life and get out at the right time and make some big money. But if you add 10 to 15 stocks with this type of profile to your portfolio, you're most likely going to lose in the long run. And it's just not an investment strategy, in our opinion.